Wow, sir. Your garden looks like something from a dream. It's so full of life. What's your secret? Everything here looks like it was planted by heaven.
There's no secret, my son. I don't force them to grow. I simply remove what stops them. You see, every seed already knows what to become. My job is just to give it the space and care to do it.
You're talking about more than flowers, aren't you?
Yes. Because people are gardens too. Weeds don't scream or shout. They slowly strangle. Fear, guilt, anger, comparison. They stop us from becoming what we want to become in life.
Maybe that's what I've been feeling. Choked. Not by lack of effort, but by everything I haven't let go of.
Growth isn't always adding more. Sometimes, it's letting go. John chapter 15 verse 2. He removes every branch that does not bear fruit in me, and he prunes every branch that does bear fruit, so that it may bear more fruit. God doesn't prune you to hurt you. He prunes you to heal you, to help you flourish.
I've been forcing growth, trying to do more, be more, and prove more.
I've been there, but proving isn't growing. Surrender is. You don't need to work harder to be loved. You just need to clear the clutter around your heart. You are already enough for the God who created you. He's not asking for perfection. He's asking for permission to work in you.
So, the real work isn't forcing growth, it's removing what hinders it.
Exactly. That's where freedom begins. Start small. Pull one weed, like shame. Water one seed, like faith. And trust the process. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1. There is a time for everything, and a season for every activity under the heavens.
I came to admire your flowers, but I think something inside me is blooming now too.
You were never meant to stay stuck.
I've spent so much of my life trying to force fruit, but I never paid attention to the things silently choking me. Comparison, fear of failure, always trying to prove myself. They were never helping me grow. Just holding me back.
Exactly. Sometimes we water the weeds more than the seeds.
Letting go feels harder than holding on sometimes.
It does, but letting go is what makes room for new roots. Deeper roots, stronger ones.
I didn't expect to find this kind of clarity today.
Truth often grows in quiet places.
I think I've been afraid to change, but maybe I've been more afraid to stay the same.
That realization, that's where the real growth begins.
Thank you, sir, for more than just your time. You helped me see myself differently.
You were always capable. You just needed space to remember who you are.
Maybe I'll start with one weed at a time, and trust that God will take care of the rest.
That's all He's asking for. One step of faith, one moment of surrender, one open heart.
I thought I needed to work harder to bloom, but today, I realized, I just needed to let go.
You were never meant to stay stuck, boy. Growth is your design. Now go and remove what's been stopping it.
Thank you, sir, for your time again.
If this story inspired you, please like this video. Share it with someone who's trying to grow through hard things. Subscribe to Moment of Light for more heartfelt, Bible-based encouragement. Comment below, what's one weed you're ready to remove from your life today? Remember, you were made to grow. Don't force it, just clear the way.